Alright guys, finally did the one modification I wanted to do to this truck since we bought it. And that's take off all of this purple stinky window tint. It was literally smelling up the cab because the adhesive is just, 20 years old. So the glue was just giving out and it was just smelling the cab up a little bit. Nothing too crazy, but you could definitely smell it while you were in there. But went ahead and removed all 5 windows, front doors, back doors, and went ahead and removed the back glass. Only took about maybe an hour and a half or so to go ahead and remove everything. The steamer kind of made quick work with it. I've been kind of working on it on and off because we're also polishing transit van over here, so I've just kind of been walking back and forth between the two. The back glass had me a little bit nervous because if you guys have ever removed a window tint before, depending on what adhesive was on it, it could actually take off your defrost lines when you actually go ahead and remove the window tint. Luckily, the tint came off pretty easily, so we didn't destroy any of the defrost. Didn't destroy any of the defrost lines. I did go ahead and unplug them in both corners if it'll zoom in. We're about to go ahead and put on the new back window, which is right here. I already got it printed off. I used a plotter to cut off all the tint. But just gonna go ahead and do the back 3. I just think with how stock the truck is, when we go to sell it, I think instead of putting 5% all the way around, if it was my truck, I'd definitely do 15% all the way around and some sort of probably 50% on the windshield. But since it's not my truck, I know not everyone has the same taste as I do, so I'm trying to put it back to stock as much as possible. But that tint definitely had to go. So just gonna go ahead and do the back 3 and nothing on the front 2. This truck didn't even come with privacy glass, which was kind of surprising. Usually all these older trucks that I work on, or even the newer ones, whether it's an F-150, Silverado, Ram, usually trucks and SUVs have the privacy glass. But sometimes on these trucks, especially with being a solid back glass, not a sliding rear window, I guess they just didn't come with privacy glass on this one, which is no biggie. We're gonna go ahead and put 35% on here. And I guess we'll go ahead and get cracking at it. And let's go ahead and throw this back window on. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Just finished up tinting the back 3 windows. I think it's a major upgrade. I wish you guys would have been here before and actually seen how bad it was. You can actually see the headrest now and the back seat. But before it was so blue, you couldn't even see out of the back window when you were reversing. Now it has like a nice true black color to it. But it was so blurry and blue and purple. Now you can actually see, and it's just super clear back here. So I'm sure that whoever buys this truck will be very thankful that we went ahead and took care of that and he doesn't have to worry about it. But I think it was a good call on putting the 35% on here. It really kind of meters out to about 30% if you really want to be technical about it, because the factory glass isn't a true 100%. So when you put 35 on top of the glass, it kind of brings it down a little bit. So if I had to guess, it's probably about 30%. If you want to see a comparison between the front door. So obviously front door has nothing on it. We took that tint off. And then the 35% is on the rear. I think it was a good call. Like I said, if it was my truck, I definitely would have went darker. But since the rest of the truck is pretty stock, I think we should kind of go with the factory look. And 35% is pretty close to factory what comes on these trucks. So yeah, sorry for the short video today, guys. It's been kind of a weird day trying to get everything crammed in one day. But still want to kind of give you guys an update on the Duramax. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys are enjoying the Duramax content. But as always, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.